Welcome to my channel Raza Cool in English. So friends, in today's video I am going to tell you that if you have Blue Star Inverter AC and you are a new technician and you want information about service, then this video is for you, and if you are a customer then you can call your technician and jet if pump service is done. Then let's start the video. Before doing AC service, you should check the AC properly by turning it on. After that, open the cover of AC and take out the filter net. After that, open the screw of the main cover. Now you open the swing flap with a light hand. After that, you will see that to open the main cover, you have to lift the top 3 locks and remove the cover from the front. It comes out very easily. You can see that there is a lot of dust in the AC blower, due to which the AC does not throw proper flow and the room does not cool down quickly and the electricity bill starts coming very high. Cover the PCB of AC well with membrane, but keep in mind that water should not enter the PCB. PCB may get damaged due to water. Now start cleaning the blower with jet pump pressure and keep cleaning until the blower is clean. Cleaning the blower will greatly increase the air throw of your AC and keep your AC working like new. Now clean the AC drain pipe with the help of jet pump. You must get your AC cleaned with a jet pump. This makes the AC work like new and the electricity bill also comes down very low and your AC will cool your room very quickly. Keep in mind the water pressure. More pressure can damage the cooling coil things of your AC. Now the cooling coil and blower is completely clean. Now with the help of brush and washing powder surf, wash all the parts. The fun of washing with a brush is something else. With a brush you can remove the dust from every corner, and where your hand does not reach, you can clean it with a brush. You can see that the AC has become like new with the jet pump. After washing the plastic body of the AC, wipe or dry the entire cover with a dry cotton cloth. Wipe the indoor unit of AC with a cotton cloth. Now put the upper main cover as well. It is very easy to install the main cover. You just have to press it from above to set the lock on the inside. Install and tighten all screws. Also attach the filter net. Attach the swing flap also. Keep in mind that this swing flap is very delicate. It may break while applying. Hope you have understood the information given by me. Then do like my video.